Sadiq Subhani, Mr. Sadiq Subhani, who is the president of Jammu and Kashmir, the National Awami Party in the UK, for his few words, and particularly how his colleagues would help us to get maximum signatures from across the parties within the UK. Sadiq Subhani.
Thank you very much, Aftab and KDF, for inviting us and providing us this opportunity to head to our learned members of Parliament and seeking their advice and their assistance, and then all of you as well, who has delivered tremendously good. In terms of manifesto, as you know, you had our support, wholeheartedly support from the beginning. And therefore, I believe there was nothing from me to add on, as I fully endorsed it from the beginning. And as of today and hereafter, during the time of elections, I would also assist you in reaching to the members of Parliament or PPCs to support this manifesto and to recognize us separately to other communities, as has been addressed by the members of Parliament. I see from this manifesto that it's very important that it binds us to one indigenous narrative, especially the Kashmiri diaspora community living in the UK. As the learned MP has said as well, that perhaps, in the beginning, our Kashmiri people told them perhaps that, who had best claim over the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And as today, I think it's very important that a lot of members of Parliament and the general public, British general public, is aware that Kashmiris are different ethnicity or community than India and Pakistan and any other community. And I think the responsibility at this moment lies upon us to reach out to these people, to be recognized, perhaps, and the elections are the best time to use your force and your vote for this sport. And it's a very right moment. You chose to launch this manifesto, and I'll fully support this, and I'll do whatever I can to make it successful and to bring best out of it. Thank you very much.